I'm here with Jenny. Jenny's been a little stressed out lately. We'll get it taken care of, all right? Pop up. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Jenny? Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, stay there for a minute. Whoa. Wow. Okay, now open your mouth. Open up. Atta girl. Okay. Oh, yeah, you got some tension here. Yeah, get that stretch in there. Oh, yeah. Did you feel that? Shh, just stay there. Stay there. I'm just trying to get, I'm just going to get in here. Yeah. Yeah, let me just, yeah. Oh, yeah, there we go. That's it. That's it. Oh, atta girl. Here. Oh, that's it. No one else should be cracking your back, okay? Just chiropractors or doctors. You could hurt yourself.
Oh my God. It was so tight. Holy shit.
Damn, boy.
I knew.
Let's crack some backs. We've got Jenny, and she's here with her sister, Amber. So let's get rid of some tension, girls. Pop up. Relax. Oh, no. Wow. Good girl. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, that was that girl. Amber's getting jealous over there, huh? Don't worry, baby. You're up next. Oh, wow. You're just as tight as your sister. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, oh yeah, nice and healthy. Yeah. Oh. Another happy client. I'm a doctor. We are back with Jenny, who had a little bit of tension with her family over the holidays, so we'll get rid of that. Pop up. There we go. Oh, no, keep eyes. Look at me, look at me. And there. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, one more. We didn't get it. Oh, yeah, that was it. Nipples are just knots on the front. All right, Jenny, how was that? I'm a medical professional.
Rilascia, un bel respiro, fuori l'aria.
I put an audio of me cracking my bones to a Kit Kat commercial.